Home quarantine is off the table for returning nationals due to breaches in protocols. Some 100 returning nationals have been approved for home quarantine since July 9th. However, some sane solutions have been spotted out and about socializing. Thus, Tourism Minister Dominic Fede says home quarantine is no longer an option.
We have now pivoted towards the complete removal of home quarantine except for in extreme circumstances. We've had a few breaches and we have had individuals who have not cooperated, and so we have no choice but to now go into another step of the protocol to ensure that we prioritize the safety and to have now another layer. So in addition to being pre-tested, returning nationals, notwithstanding their right to come back to St. Lucia, will also have to have a confirmed reservation at one of our government-operated quarantine.
The government is considering utilizing devices to monitor persons in home quarantine.
Department of Health, the Command Center, and the Cabinet of Ministers are working towards getting some technology that will aid them to be able to track individuals that are approved for home quarantine, and it will give them the opportunity to be able to verify the location of those individuals. So we look forward to this update and this advancement in our COVID response.
One visitor was repatriated to a home country on July 24th after violating protocols. Nonetheless, Minister Fede has declared the pilot phase of the reopening of the tourism sector a success, despite some hiccups.
I hope that individuals are going to begin to trust the protocols a little more as we see the first few weeks of our tourism industry reopening, and we haven't had any community outbreak. It really says something about the level of management that is taking place by the health experts and the people in the medical field who have done a stellar job.
Fede says since the island opened its borders to commercial flights on July 9th, some 2,000 jobs have been created, including 500 taxi and 1,400 hotel jobs. Some 1,556 visitors have also checked into COVID-19 certified hotels and 2,256 returning nationals into government-run facilities and/or home quarantine. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.